Hey guys, this is Roller Derby Mark Roman, and here's another video, and here's some more of my roller derby slash roller games collection, because I do have some roller games jerseys and other items and stuff. So this is a special video. When anybody mentions roller games, and they say, what were your favorite teams, or what is the most well-known teams? I would say a lot of people would say the Philadelphia Warriors and the Los Angeles Thunderbirds, or the T-Birds. And right here, what we have, this is a very rare jersey. This is a men's #1 T-Bird jersey. And this style was from 1969 all the way till 1973. And the skaters that wore this jersey from that time, Billy Marshall wore this from 1969 till 70 into 71. And then Ed Dresser wore this one from, I believe, 72 to 73. And also Richard Brown wore this jersey in October of 73 when the Pioneers faced the T-Birds. So let's get into the video, and hope you guys like it. So this is a Sandknit tag, size 42, and it's in really good condition. The letters and the numbers isn't frayed or torn or anything, and this has been well used in so many games. And this jersey was also used. It was skated by Ed Dresser when the Pioneers faced the T-Birds at the White Sox Memorial Park in 1972 in front of over 50,000 fans. So this is I guess you would say a Hall of Fame jersey. But right there, T-Birds, #1. There's the shoulder bars. There's this arm stripes right here. It's got some stains on it, but we expect for a jersey that's 50 years old. Bottom of it. A little bit of discoloring right here. Some dirt. It's fine. Really nice. Turn it over. There's some repair work right here, this part. And here is the back of the number, the #1. And right here, the blue stitching is gone. It's worn out, but that's fine. You can still tell that it's a #1 jersey. Still really nice and clean and intact. No major, tears or rips or anything. Actually, this is kind of the only thing that's kind of messed up, I guess you'd say about, or not messed up, but just worn right here. And just this minor repair work, which is normal. A lot of these jerseys that have been in many games and that were reused were repaired. So you have it. T-Birds, #1. A very rare jersey to have. There is not a lot of these around anymore, especially in this good of a condition. And these jerseys were used all the way up until 1978, I believe. Yeah, 78. And then in 79, the T-Birds, they started, they incorporated their new jerseys, which were the green and yellow ones that said T-Birds, and it was in green, and the shoulder bars were green and yellow, and the color was white. And I believe that they took a set of the Florida Jet uniforms, and they removed the big numbers on the front and the back, and they had the T-Bird stitched and the numbers and stuff. But this one here is the classic red, white, and blue, and this is the this style is the most well-known T-Bird jerseys that just a lot of fans know about, basically. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will be showing more of my roller derby collection. I got a lot of I got a lot of more stuff to show you guys, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please give me a comment and let me know what you think about this men's T-Bird jersey, and please subscribe to my channel, share it with your family and friends, and get the word out so I can start going towards 1,000 subs. And thank you guys for watching my videos, and I'm glad that you all have enjoyed it. This is Roller Derby Mark Roman, signing out.